Got her fixed. Late start, but we're going to be going. Hey, wait for us! Oh my, what do you think there, Myron?
God,
that sucker awesome. Is heavy.
Oh,
you know,
good boy. Jeez.
I wonder. Got it?
Yep. God, that is one. Look at the belly.
That's a.
Oh.
I got lucky again.
He's not going nowhere.
Huh?
He's not going nowhere.
What is that one?
Fat 28.
8.5.
Well, 28, pretty much right on.
What the heck?
That's a fat 28.
Yeah, that's a heavy 28.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Man,
Yeah,
pick it up
28
once.
right on the scale. 28 right on the nose.
Yeah, she just sat there. I was trying to get her and tried to get her.
Oh, that's a heavy fish.
Yeah.
Look at the back on her. Turn the back toward me. Look at that. How wide that fish is. There. You can see how the
shoulders.
Yeah, that's shoulders there, man.
10.
What do we got? 10.42.
Oh, I said 10.
You did say it said 4.5.
10.4, 10.47.
10.47.
10.47. Yeah.
Nice guess.
Woo, beauty.
Yeah.
Look at the belly on it.
10.53.
10.53. Cool.
10.5.
We'll go with 10.5 pounder.
Yeah.
Cool. Hold it up, Myron.
Nice teeth.
Cool. That's awesome. I got lucky. Cool.
10.5.
We'll go with 10.5 pounder.
Yeah.
Cool. Hold it up, Myron.
Nice teeth.
Cool. That's awesome. I got lucky.
Recording right now. Here we go. Chad Miller and his
10.5, 29.25. Look at that pretty fish. Got belly on that thing. There we go. That is a pretty fish. Look how pretty that back is on that thing.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool, Myron?
That's awesome.
Ready? He wants to go. That's awesome.
Boy, buddy.
Right on, Knuckles. Myron. in the
Hey,
dark.
Atta boy.
Good job, boys.
All right.
Good job, Myron.
All right.
26. 26 and a half.
26.
27.
27.
Right there is 27.
All right.
Yep, 27.
Nice.
27 and a bit on the white part there.
Ooh. Hold it up.
I barely had him hooked.
Look at there.
27.
Let's show that where it's barely had him hooked.
27 and 11.
Look at that pretty color.
Fat.
Yeah.
Woo-hoo, Myron.
Finally.
Nice.
I'll turn it.
Okay.
You got him?
Yeah, I got it.
Nice job. Dark out.
Yep.
Barely
Yeah.
light. Look where you got him. Turn it. Oh, the other. There you go. Look at that fat. That's pretty. Right
Pays
on.
to stay, eh, Myron?
Yeah, it
Should
does.
pay.
Staying
Barely
after
by
dark.
the by the skin of his
Oh, yeah.
chinny chin
Chin,
there,
He
boy.
was barely hooked.
Look at that.
We
Barely
stayed after dark and we got him.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Awesome.
Right, cool. Don't we leave it down there and get a picture. What you got there, Myron? Roll that big bee around. Let's see its back and stuff. Look how pretty a fish that is. Look at the colors. Nice, Myron. Pretty fish. Turn it a little. The other one. There you go. Woohoo, Myron. Good for you. I'm glad you got one.
Congratulations, Myron.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
This is right.
It was way
Well, here, I'll
Yeah.
let him go.
Yeah, right on.
Just let him go.
Put the light over by the hole. Put it down there. Here.
Whoa.
And just hold on to its tail for a while.
Yep. Oh, look at that belly.
Hang on to its tail.
Oh my God.
There it goes.
Yeah, there you go.
They're a little slimier than you thought.
God damn
Right
it.
on, Myron. Yeah.
That boy.
Right on.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Look, Myron. Let's head her home. That was a good day, huh?
Yeah.
Here you go, Myron. To your big fish. To Myron's big fish of ice fishing. Yep. And my 10-pounder. I think I underestimated the nachos, Grant. Oh my God! Look how big
I
the
was gonna say maybe you want to get
mountain of nachos.